This is alternating bird dogs. So notice my leg is going out straight, straight out, straight out. Vision's about here. That's proper form. So a couple of mistakes people will make. Sometimes it's just balance. Sometimes people have the legs way up here. That's not right. You want to keep the body straight. Also, sometimes people duck their head like this. We'll have the neck way up here. Just like a push-up, like you would be doing a plank. Keep your eyesight just in front of your hands. Straight out. Like that. Have fun.